So it appears True Forex Funds has their license revoked by MetaTrader quotes, which is MT4 and MT5. Does this mean the final end of prop firms? Is it all finally coming down? In this video, we're going to dive in deep. We're going to take a look at what's going on their website. We'll keep you guys informed, so make sure you stick around to the end. All right, traders, so let's take a look at this. So dear traders, this is actually on their True Forex Fund website. Due to a nonsense reason, MetaTrader quotes or Meta quotes has terminated our license, and therefore we have to freeze our services temporarily. Now here's the thing. This had happened before to other prop firms. Leveled Up Society by Lambo Raul actually had something similar happen, I believe. I don't know fully the details, but they actually did come back. So that's a positive note of it. And one of the things too that we have to look out for, guys, is making sure who is behind these prop firms, right? We want to avoid, joining a prop firm that maybe is not as transparent, right? The CEO doesn't show their face, right? All these things, right? It seems like this person, Richard Nagy, I don't know him personally, but it says CEO. I don't know. He's putting their full name. Could be a possibility that this person is being fully transparent and they're actually just, going through a little bit of a hurdle, right? But when we come to getting these prop firms, it's crucial for us to understand who is the team running behind it. Now let's continue here. It says our team is working hard on a plan to continue providing our services, right? So it seems like this could be, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Could this be a leveled up society like Lambo Raul, where he stuck to his word and he actually was able to bring it back and they're up and running, which is great. So they shut down for a little bit and they're up and running and everyone's getting their payouts. Everything's working out for leveled up society. So shout out to Lambo Raul on that. Really, really nice how he kept his word and he stuck through it. So could True Funded Forex be the next case like this, or could it be a My Forex Fund situation? We're gonna have to wait and see what happens, but let me know your comments below on that. So it says the incomprehensible reason for the termination is used by a third-party provider for their equity synchronization purposes, who has allegedly not connected to MetaTrader's client terminal in a way that is successfully acceptable by Meta quotes. Now here's the deal. There are different forms of platforms that these prop firms could start using, like C-Trader. There's other different companies and third parties out there, but obviously we know that the most popular is Meta quotes, which is the founders of MT4 and MT5, right? But there's other platforms out there that do exist, and maybe, could this be maybe a shift that needs to happen potentially? We'll have to wait and see. True Forex Funds has used and mentioned third-party services since 2021 without any complaints from Meta quotes. Now Meta quote did not give any prior warning, nor did they provide any chance to replace an unwanted provider, despite it being evident that in no industry it is possible to investigate your partner or provider and any supplier source code to prove their legitimacy. Now let me know in the comments below, guys, if you've been affected by My Forex Funds or affected by a prop firm at whole that has disappeared or had a similar situation like this. I know a lot of you guys are being affected, and I want you to know that I empathize with you and I feel you guys. Trust me, we need to, as traders, stick together, be strong as a community as we always have been, and focus on, honestly, at the end of the day, the focus for these prop firms, guys, and I've always said this from the very beginning, is literally to grab your profits that you make from these prop firms and build your own capital on a regulated broker. That's why I have my regulated broker with Blueberry Markets. These guys are regulated from Australia, and this is my personal recommendation. At the end of the day, you guys should do whatever you like. This is my opinion and my recommendation for you guys, okay? So that's the main objective. Take advantage of these prop firms before they leave. Grab those profits as soon as you can. So once you get those payouts, grab those payouts, put it and reinvest it into your own personal capital. And that's the end goal, to be honest, guys. So, but let's hope that this space continues to go through all these hurdles. And you know what? To be honest, at the end of the day, when things are going tough, that means that there is a potential breakthrough coming through. And could this be the beginning of regulation with prop firms? Possibly. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Or could this be the very end? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts below, guys. And here we continue on. It says, we would like to ensure that all of you, despite of all the turbulence, we will never back down and you will be able to continue your journey where it had to be stopped. Now our team is continuously tries to convince Meta quotes, or continually trying, I'm assuming is what they tried to say, to keep our license. In case of lack of success, we will try to migrate your trading accounts to a broker. Okay, this is actually pretty fair. I was gonna actually suggest that, because prop firms like My Forex Funds that just dips and like people literally pass their challenges, which is super unfair, or people that were already funded and were literally pending a payout. At least what I would say is, at least pay people out. That's the most correct thing to do, is at least if you know that your company is going down the drain, at least pay yourself out, in the sense that at least you're going to get something back, right? That is the most fair thing you could do to people, especially you're in a business. You want to make sure that you respond to people. It's only fair. You're dealing with a lot of livelihoods, people that really depend on this, depend on prop firms, depend on their payouts. So I think the most honest thing would be to do something like this. And it seems like True Forex Funds is looking into this. It says in case of lack of success, so in case they're not able to come to a resolution with Meta Quotes, they will try to migrate the trading accounts for all of you guys that are with this prop firm into a broker. So that sounds very promising, but we'll have to wait and see if this is true. We would like to apologize for this disaster. A force of majeure, sorry, I don't know if I pronounced that right, event that has occurred due to reasons beyond our control. Now, please note, it says that the remaining payouts will be settled once the platform is unfrozen. And this happened as well with Leveled Up Society. And again, I will say it again, shout out to Lambo Raul for being a man of his word. And he actually stuck to it. And these people were able to reactivate their accounts and be able to get this money back. So again, I think this could be a positive note with their approach as they're going about this, or could this be actually a My Forex Fund situation? I generally hope it isn't, and I hope that this is really the case. So it says, if for the worst case scenario occurs and we have to migrate to another broker server, we will face an issue with offered symbols and discrepancies, making open positions migration challenging. Please close your positions before market closure, otherwise they will be automatically closed. Once again, keep in mind that as soon as we have the workaround implemented, you will be able to continue your trading journey with True Forex Funds. Your support means a lot to us. We will keep you updated, and we have Richard, CEO. Okay, so that is the update currently for True Forex Funds. Again, I don't have an account with them, so I wouldn't be able to tell you, but I know that this prop firm has been quite popular. So let me know your thoughts about this. I wanted to kind of update you guys as per usual. And as you guys know, if you're new to the family, welcome. My name is Pedro. We do Forex trading. I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and also quit my wife's 9-to-5 job from our corporate world and go all in on Forex trading. So if you're looking to grow in an amazing part of a family and community, you've come to the right place. Make sure you subscribe below, make sure those notifications are turned on, because not only do I do videos like these that will help you take your trading to the next level, but we also do live streams every single day, twice a day, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll keep you guys updated if anything changes. In the meantime, I will see you guys later, and God bless.